Lesson number 4, editing a worksheet. From this chapter, we will learn how to select the cells, entering the number as a text, date and time, changing the cell content, how to use undo and redo features, inserting the rows and columns, copying and moving the data, autofill feature. You know already, MS Excel is an application software. It is to perform the mathematical calculations. After entering the data in a worksheet, you may need to make some changes in it. You can add more data and edit whatever enter the content you want to edit. So, what is the meaning of editing? Editing worksheet involves changing the cell content, copying and moving the data. For example, sometimes if you want to same data you need with the help of copy and paste we can do, or else with the help of moving also we can do. And sometimes you feel you need some columns you want to insert, some columns you want to delete, or rows you want to insert columns. So completely editing worksheet involves changing cell content, copying and moving the data, inserting or deleting the rows and columns. So firstly, now I want to go with the selecting the cells. Selecting the cells. How to select the cells? See here, in Excel, you often need to select a group of cells to perform any actions on them. And we can select them in any one of the, there are some of ways are there to select the particular cells or rows or columns. Firstly, how to select a row or column? For example, now I want to select a total column. So click on the particular column. It will get selected and the color will little bit change. Okay. Now I selected a column. For example, now I want to select a row. Okay, children. I want to select a row. Just what you have to do. For example, now I want to select 104 Marlon's record. So just you have to keep your mouse pointer on that and click over that. It will get selected. Left mouse button, which row you want, just click over cursor and select it. Now you want to select a whole worksheet. In that situations, what you have to do? You have to keep your mouse pointer from first Control plus A with the help of CTRL. Control plus together. Okay, Control plus A. It means that whole sheet will get selected. Okay. Now this is selecting the whole worksheet. Now adjacent the rows and columns. How to select the adjacent the rows and columns? For example, now I want to after name I want to select adjacent columns which are there, total is there, percentage is there. I want to select. In that situation, what you have to do? Hold the shift key from the keyboard. Hold the shift key and arrow buttons. Okay, which side you want, just you can select it. For example, now I want to select the total. Just hold. We can select it like this. Understood? So where you keep your cursor? If for example after C, after D I want to select. Hold the shift button. Just goes on selecting. Like this we can select with the adjacent rows. Same thing even rows also we can select. Okay. Hold the shift button like this. Okay. Even rows also we can select. Upper part we want to select. Just hold the shift button here. Upper. Okay. Up or down. Whichever you want. Just hold the shift button. We can like this. We can select adjacent rows and columns. Non-adjacent rows and columns. Just hold the control key. Hold the control key. For example, here we are having hold the control key and any complete last key. Okay. Like this, we can date and time, a number as a text. Here, for example, now I want to enter the number prefix with the 0. Directly I will type now 0, 1, 2, 3. I'll increase the size beta. Okay. See here. Now I'll press 0, 1, 2, 3. Press enter key. 0 will be invisible. So we want to see the numbers with a 0. What you have to do? In the keyboard you have to press apostrophe. Apostrophe 0, 1, 2, 3. Press enter key. Okay. Like this we can enter the numbers prefix with a 0. Now, for example, this column I want to make with a date and time. In that situation, what you have to do, just right click on the particular cell. Right click and here what you have to do, format cell. Format cell, it will get open. Now I want to enter in that cell with the date. Select. Any date you want to, just select it. Click on OK. Just I will type the numbers, okay? Automatically it will be converted into date. Understood? See here, for example, now I want to, this whole column, I want to enter the date. Just select the cell which you want to enter the date. Right click, format cell. Okay, select format cell. And here what you have to select in the situation here, date. Okay, which type you want, just to click on that and click on OK. Just to enter the numbers. 2000. Like this, we can enter the date and time in the Excel sheet. Now next, changing the cell content. Changing the cell content. The character and numbers, whatever the character, symbols, whatever you typed in the Excel, can be seen both as well as in a cell as well as formula bar. For example, see here, now what I have entered, it is my cell, right? 23 Jan 00, it's my cell. So whatever I enter, it will be displayed in the formula bar also. Okay, fine. See here, next, what is 0, 1, 2, 3? Whatever I enter, it will be displayed in the formula bar. It will be displayed in cell as well as in the formula bar. Now, when we are entering the any numbers, so in that situation, for example, now I am entering, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Here in the formula bar, beside the formula bar, you can see the cancel symbol and correct symbol, and this is the formula from inserting the functions. Okay, so I don't want to just 0, 1, 2 I written here. I don't want to, just cancel it. Click on cancel. It will be. So whenever after entering the data, it should be entered into the Excel sheet. Just press enter key or else click on write. The number will get enter. Like this, we can change the cell content by using cancel and right click. Even you can use, for example, here some numbers we have written. Okay, like this also we can cancel it. Cancel. Okay. And no, we want that number. In that situation, just you press enter key or else click on right click. Right. Okay. It means that right means it will be entered into that. Okay. Now the two buttons already I told you, cancel and enter, the present in the left formula bar. And whatever we are enter in the data, we can modify in a two ways. The data can be modified in a two ways. One is what? Replacing the cell content, and another is what? Using edit mode. Replacing the cell content. So, if you want to edit the cell content, replace with any number. Already I opened one worksheet, right? So, in which cell I want to replace? For example, here Manas, he scored actually is 69, but I entered here 96, right? I entered here 96. Select the cell and write 69. Okay, but easily we can replace the values by selecting the particular cell. Overtype mode. Overtype mode. So overtype mode, for example, here double click on this, just whatever it is, delete it and write any number. Okay, this is what a overtype mode. Like, and after that, next one more is there. For example, here in the status bar you see, if you are selected the cell, it is in a ready mode, right? Ready mode. If we are double click on the particular cell, it will be converted into edit mode. It means that if you want to make any changes in this, we can make changes in this particular cell. For example, here I want to just delete 5 and we can write here 99. Like this we can make changes in a particular sheet by using replace mode and using edit mode and overtype mode. Next, undo and redo feature. See here, after making the modification in a particular cell, for example, if I made in a Kabir cell, you may wish to cancel the changes and return the previous data. To revert the last action you performed, use undo button on the quick access toolbar. Here you are having, for example, if I made some in a percentage column, some I 259 and return. So I don't want to write, but I return. So sudden I want to make a revert the last action what I performed. Just click on that button. And redo command is used to quickly repeat the last action that you have done with the undo command. So beside this is undo and this is redo. Last action what I did in the percentage column, whatever I return, just I don't want. And no, I want now. Now I want. Okay. So what you have to do, undo. Sorry, redo. Okay. Like this we can take done with the undo command. Press redo button on the fixed. This is a quick access toolbar and this is a undo and this is what a redo. Undo quick access in a quick access toolbar. This is what redo. This upper this is bar is known as what a quick access toolbar. And you can use the shortcut key also. We can use a shortcut key also. For example, undo and redo. This is 259. Control plus Z. Control plus Z for undo. That 259 whatever I written in a percentage column, it will go. Now redo. Redo action. Control plus Y. Hold the shift button and control plus Y. Whatever I enter the number once again like this. So we can use with the help of undo and redo with the help of quick access toolbar and as well as from the keyboard. Control plus Z for undo and control plus Y for redo. So next, inserting the rows and columns. See here, we can insert a blank cell in a cell or row in a worksheet. For example, if you want to insert a column, now I want to insert a column beside the in between the total and percentage. So what I have to do, just select this particular cell, okay, particular cell, right click, okay, right click, insert. I entered here what? Inserted what? Column, right? Same thing. I can insert the rows also. See here, where after the Ranji, I want one row or before Ankita I want. So what you have to do, select a particular cell with the help of keyboard, left click on a particular cell and right click, insert. Okay, like this we can insert columns as well as rows. So for example, you don't want to, in whatever I entered, I don't want. Even we can use undo and redo command also. Or else, select particular cell which you are entered, right click, delete. It will go. Okay. Like this, we can insert the rows and columns. Okay. Rows and columns. And next one is what? Copying and moving the data. Copying, moving the data. Copying refers to copy, duplicate data. Usually we are using duplicate data results, right? What we can duplicate in the what? Text, numbers, formula, either in the same sheet or in a different worksheet. So I will show you now. For example, this Ranji, whatever the data I entered, I want in a same. Just select that cell. Okay, right click, copy. Okay, copy. And where you want, just place your cursor. For example, I want it in a A7. Just for it. Next, right click, and here you can use paste. Paste. Even we can use in the front. And next, one more thing. Here, I will select whole data. Same data I want something. I want to make a changes. I want to make a. I want to edit the sheet. But same data I want to be in a sheet 2. But I want little changes. So what you have to do? Just select the cell holding the left mouse button. How much you want? Select it. Select it from the keyboard, from the clipboard. From the clipboard, what you have to click on copy. Click on copy. Next, what you have to do? Open sheet 6. I want the data here now. Keep your mouse pointer where you want. Okay. From the clipboard, click on paste. Click on paste. Whatever you enter the data, it will be same thing will be paste in a same worksheet as well as another different worksheets also we can paste the data, copy and doing the data. Okay, like this. Next one is what? Fill feature. Excel provides a wonderful feature for copying the cell content. And it's a very autofill is the easiest method to fill the data in a cells automatically. For example, in this data I typed January. Okay. Here I typed here January. Jan. Just you type Jan. Okay. Fab. 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 Just what you have to do, select both the cells and keep your mouse pointer in the corner. When it will convert it into plus, just drag till where you want, till December. Okay? Like this, we can enter the months. Even days also we can enter, right? Sunday, SUN, just Sunday, enter Monday. Monday. Okay, hold both the cells, select both the cells and hold, drag and drop how many you want. Okay, like this we can enter not only months, weeks, months, days, even numbers also we can enter n number of enter which we are defined in the computer. According to that, we can use this autofill feature. Like this, we can fill the series. Like if your the class strength is 40, we can enter the whole class numbers just by using the autofill feature. Here, we have finished your 4th chapter, editing a worksheet. Thank you. Have a nice day.